I promised to show you this one, the Smartpro Air DuX engraving machine, and I bought this a while back, so please be advised this is not a sponsored post. But if you want to take your first steps in engraving, then this might be the one for you. It is a budget version, and there's something else that's really cool about this one. This one comes with a built-in air compressor. So what you see is what you get. This is the entire machine. Plugging this in is super simple. I'll attach the foot switch. And the power supply, and just so you know, I'm just doing this for the video because I have been using this system for about a month now. Another awesome feature is that this comes with a micro motor, and the engraver handle is plugged in like this, and this is all that there is to it, the entire installation. I can turn it on and it's working. It comes with a number of engravers that you still need to sharpen yourself, and it has 6 of these connectors. You can plug these in your handle and you're ready to start your engraving journey. And if you are going to continue on this engraving journey, then I can really recommend these Ceraglass discs for sharpening your gravers. I got them at Gaswine, just like I did with the Smartpro Air DuX. Again, not a sponsored post. But you will receive a 5% discount with the code Estona25 on almost all of their tools. And now I'm going to show you how to use it. You can see here on the LED screen what's going on. I am going to flip this one to engraving. And this is the maximum speed of engraving, and I can use my foot switch. Here we go. And by using the foot switch, I can choose the intensity. But if I want a constant intensity, I can switch this back, open it up again, and I do not need to use the foot switch, but it's hand controlled. And before heading over to the micro motor, I am going to place my handpiece in there. And we have the same options here as we did before. The foot control. And you can set this to the power you desire. Or switch on over to the hand control. In the intensity you need. And there is just one more extra over here. You can choose the direction in which your micro motor is spinning, which comes in really handy sometimes. I am going to show you this one in action, and remember, I am not a pro, but I'm a very eager student. Regretting my choice to film this without a microscope. And I'm hoping that my learning process will inspire you to give it a try yourself. Well, this really is the best I can show you without using my microscope. I used the different tools that came with this engraving machine just to show you what can be possible. And I want to show you some other things that I made with this machine, such as this star setting or this little bouquet of flowers, and just take a look at how tiny these are. And I really had perfect control with this machine, where I didn't when I was trying it by hand. So I am really fond of this machine, and I hope this information might help you out as well. And I think that it's awesome that there are machines out there for those on a tighter budget, or for those who are just interested in learning a new skill without having to pay the grand price. So without a doubt, I absolutely recommend this one, the Smartpro Airdo Jewelry Engraver. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial.